What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today, we're going to be taking a closer look at CasinoCoin versus the dollar, and we're going to find out where this price is heading. If you are new to this channel and you like what you see in here and feel compelled to sub, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get this video up to, let's say, 200 likes. Can we do that, you guys? 200 likes. I would like to challenge you guys. I want to see if we could grow this CasinoCoin community as well. It looks like a good coin to invest in. I'm all in on CasinoCoin, so it is something that I do like in this space so far. All right, that being said, I want to take a look at the weekly time frame first.
もちろん全てをかけたギャンブルを
Because the weekly time frame is showing some interesting signs that has happened before. We have been at this level before. We already rejected 3 times. One here, another here, and another at this point as well. So we already are showing signs that this market is ranging between this level and this level. So we have this gigantic box here, as you can see. All right, so the question is now, are we going to break this level to the upside to get to higher prices? That is yet to be seen. We are already showing rejection already. The last time we were at this price, we did better the last time because you see where price closed at. This time we're already rejecting where we did even close at. So this is already showing some signs that we could make a pullback to the downside and then a blast off back to the upside. We are getting a bullish formation here. I do like that in the Kumo cloud. We have a bullish Kumo twist. Also have a flat Kijun, which is saying on the weekly time frame that momentum is kind of flat on the weekly. So we do need to see price close, maybe above this green zone to see where price will head. It is Monday, so it's just the start of the week. So I'm betting that CasinoCoin will go up. Momentum on the weekly time frame is showing some strong signals. If we could close above or close at this level this week, and momentum is showing bullish on the William %R, I will be willing to buy some more and hold CasinoCoin depending on how this weekly candle closes. So the momentum is there. It's looking good. Long-term investments. I definitely am in this game for the long haul. Now, taking a look at the lower time frame, let's take a look at the daily. Daily, if you have watched my live stream or joined, this was the entry that I had told everybody to jump in at. If you did jump in at that point and got out or got, held to that high point, you made at least 67%. If you held up until this point, it did go back down. So you still made at least 43.82% on your hold. So just from that entry that I gave, we had a Kijun bounce, market went higher. It looked good. So I'm still expecting the market to go higher. I did say that this was going to form a zone here at this green zone here. We did pull back to it, and then we pushed off higher. So we still are looking to go higher on this up zone, on this uptrend here. What I like to see, William %R on the daily time frame. We are not above the -20, so it is kind of hard to say if we're going to break this level. I want to see price close a little bit higher today. If we could do that and William %R could get above the -20, I'll be more inclined to see this green zone get broken. I do think it is very possible for it to be broken here. I want to see that 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we're looking at a potential, Tinkinson bounce. If we could get a Tinkinson bounce to the upside, we'll definitely see prices move higher. We did break outside this P wave, which was this entry that I had for you guys. I said on the live stream that we'll be looking for a breakout here, and this is entry to get in. And if you had got in, you're doing pretty well. We do have a bullish cloud. Prices above the cloud, prices above Tenkan Kijun. Chikuspan is still free. I still see this market still pushing higher. It just needs to gain some momentum. I think buyers should start taking over at this point. Look to start getting in. But you never know, the market does what it wants. We are at a resistance zone up here, so I could definitely draw a line at this point. Boom, right there. And let's go ahead and make it visible for you guys. So we are at a resistance. We do need to get above this level to go higher. So once we get above this level, I will be expecting CasinoCoin to move higher. But till then, if we do not get above this, we're probably still going to range and see what happens. So we're looking for a fractal break at this level. So we will see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, you guys that are invested in CasinoCoin. I know that there's a lot of people that are starting to look into it. I think it's a good project. I think it's also connected to the XRPL. So, you know, if you are not invested in it or you don't know about it, I suggest you do your research and look into this coin. It's the gaming coin. And if anybody has any sense, this is the one to look into, because gaming is a big industry already. So that being said, God bless everybody that's tuned into this video. I will see you guys and ladies in the next videos. All right, God bless and peace.